Well, the levels of inflation that we have now are to be in many ways expected, given the scale of intervention that was needed to help our economies deal with the economic consequences of the pandemic. Of course, we have to monitor where we are with inflation, but it should also be seen in the context of a very, very strong recovery, particularly in terms of employment. And if you look at where we are in employment now versus where we thought we could be in 18 months ago, it's a very, very strong performance. So yes, we will monitor where we are with inflation, and while we do expect it to improve as the year goes on, I acknowledge it's at a high level at the moment, and it is causing a challenge for many in the business, many business leaders, employers, but also for families and citizens too.
But do you think that it is actually realistic and that is the most plausible scenario that this higher inflation will somehow decrease over the coming months, given that we are now seeing this transition towards a greener economy? And Isabel Schnabel from the ECB, she made that comment that this transition could actually lead to higher inflation.
So I do think it's very plausible that as we move through the year, we will see a moderation in the inflationary pressures that we're facing at the moment. I think it is a fair point to look at across how, in the medium term, our move to a lower carbon and then a net zero economy could indeed have an impact on where we are with medium-term inflation levels. But if I look at where we are now, I still believe a very robust case can be made for change against the high levels of today for three reasons. The first one will be the reasonable expectation that supply chains and their operation of supply chains can improve as we go through the year. Secondly, the effect of savings and the effect that the release of savings are having on consumption. Again, in many economies, I think you can expect to see that impact moderate as the year goes on. And then thirdly, it is possible that some of the energy issues that we're seeing at the moment, again, could change as the year goes on. Look, overall, this is a risk that we do need to monitor. We do need to be aware of the impact that it could have on our recovery. But I think the expectation of an improvement as we go through the year is a very reasonable one.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.